Designer switches and outlets are truly an attainable luxury. With minimal investment, time, and effort, you can elevate a room or your entire home because this is a fast, easy update you can actually do yourself. Seriously, I did it, so you can do it. And all it takes is a screwdriver. Now, the first step for any project that involves electrical devices or fixtures is to always turn off the power. Seriously, turn off the power. This is critical for your safety. So after you flip the breaker off, go ahead and test it to double check the power is for sure off. Then it's time to grab a screwdriver and get started. You get started by unscrewing the existing wall plate on your switch or outlet. Once that's removed, you can gently pull the device out of the wall to access its wiring. As you can see here, there are 3 wires connecting the device: hot, neutral, and ground. Your designer switch or outlet is going to have the same connection points. So before you cut to disconnect the existing device, take a good look. Maybe even snap a picture. It will help you with where each wire goes, maybe just as a handy reference. Now, when I updated my home, I chose to mix and match from both of Legrand's designer collections to best fit different spaces. The Radiant device is installed just as simply as what I'm about to show you here with this Adorne USB outlet. The Adorne collection is perfect for really injecting some of your personal style into a space because it has such a fresh look and so many wall plate options. And even though the devices themselves are in this cool, unique square shape, they install just as easily and fit into the same electrical box as the old boring device you're replacing. So after noting which wire is which, again, hot, neutral, ground, I connect each to the appropriate terminals. Then gently situate the new device back into the wall. Next, to get that sleek, screwless look I love with the designer wall plate, you install the subframe. Super easy, following the provided instructions. Lastly, snap the wall plate into place. It's really that easy. And just look at the difference. No screws, no dated beveling, just this clean, flush fit to the wall. It adds that lovely little bit of luxury, a perfect finishing touch for the space, and it only took me 10 minutes. So what are you waiting for?